This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathleen Corcoran. Location, location, location. This nicely refreshed unit offers a spacious 2-bed/2-bath split floor plan including a wrap-around balcony with pool and garden views. The large primary bedroom is en suite and fitted with 2 large closets. Laminate flooring throughout. The screened balcony is fitted with hurricane shutters. BISCAYA is a gated community in the heart of Aventura on Country Club Drive. Amenities include heated swimming pool, barbecue area, fitness room, community room, billiard library room. Walking distance to many great shops and restaurants. The popular TURNBERRY exercise trail is across the street. The beaches are just a 5-minute ride from home. Courtesy transportation offered by the city of Aventura to local shopping areas. This is a gem. 55+ community. For more information, review the details below.